Hey guys, how y'all doing? Welcome to yet another Crypto Sensei live stream. Hope you're all having a chill out day today. I'm super duper chill. I'm taking it easy this week. You know how it is. So are these markets. This market's kind of looking a little bit kind of boring this week, you know. So we're gonna be trying to take some advantage of that and just chill the fuck out and lay back and let the market do its thing. So I hope you're all having a fantastic day. I sure as hell am, guys. So what's up with you guys? How y'all doing? Big shout out for everybody early on the stream today, guys. Remember, guys, I am streaming on every single platform out there. You can watch me on YouTube, Twitch, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Kick. It's just no excuse. I'm all over the place, guys. Go ahead and choose whatever platform you like and go ahead. There's no reason not to get the news, guys. I'm here all day. Hey, there. 5 p.m. Eastern every single day, guys. Guys, today... Today's a newsworthy day. Kind of a sad day for crypto. It is what it is. Things like this are bound to happen when regulation is right around the corner. KuCoin is about to get shut down for everybody in the United States. As you can see here from this article right here, KuCoin crypto exchange to introduce mandatory KYC in July. So if you have an account on KuCoin, guys, get the hell out of KuCoin because your account is probably not going to let you do anything with your money. It's the caveat of having regulation. Regulation is good in the long term, but in the short term, for everybody who's been in crypto since day one like we are, it's going to suck. It is what it is, guys. So this major exchange, this was one of my favorite exchanges, guys. KuCoin was my number one boo, you know. She was my main squeeze. And I will not be able to use her anymore. It is what it is, guys. So I recommend, guys, that if you have any funds on your KuCoin account and you're in the United States, or you just do not want to put your KYC into KuCoin, then I suggest you get your funds out as soon as possible, like immediately. Okay, we're not going to be able to use KuCoin anymore. That just means that we're not going to be able to use our bots, because when I do my bots trading, the main exchange that I use was KuCoin. It was beautiful. It was wonderful. It worked perfectly. It is what it is, guys. Get your funds out of the KuCoin exchange and put them on your EliPal wallet. Okay. Judy, big shout out to Judy over on the TikTok. Thank you for that like, Judy. Steven! Big shout out to you, Steven, over on the TikTok. Thank you for that join. So yeah, guys, bad and sad news for crypto today. KuCoin is out. We will not be able to do any type of trades inside KuCoin. Well, I guess we're just going to have to keep using our beautiful baby girl, BitGet, for now, because BitGet is also another one that's also going to have mandatory KYC coming right around the corner. I'm on the hunt. I'm on the prowl. I'm looking for exchanges that don't have KYC requirements just yet. I will keep you posted, guys, whenever I find a good exchange that doesn't require any KYC. One that is trustworthy, one that is good. Hopefully, I'll find one soon. I've had my eyes on a few already. I've tried a few of them throughout the years, but never in a million years did I think that KuCoin and BitGet were gonna be shut down. But it is what it is, guys. It's crypto. It's just how it's done, guys. Regulation. That means that regulation is right around the corner. So it is what it is. Steven over on the TikTok saying Uphold. Oh, no, yeah, Uphold 100%. That's a great platform. The problem with Uphold is that I can't use it to trade my bots. I was talking about spot trading using bots. Anybody who's been with me for more than a year, they've seen me do trades in bots, and they've seen me use it with KuCoin. When I do my bots trade using Bitscap, let me show you here, Steven. I use this bot to do automatic trades. And over here it says my exchanges. You see it says KuCoin. I had my KuCoin linked to this bot, and it would do the trades automatically for me. Whenever I did any type of grid bots or DCA bots or any type of those type of bots, yeah, I was using KuCoin to do my automatic trades, but that's a no-go anymore. And Bitscap only has only a few. Let me see what they got. They got Binance US. Those are also regulated. You can't get into those anymore. OKX, another. Bitfinex, no. Bittrex, Bybit. We know that Bybit's a no-go for us. Coinbase Advanced, we'll might have to try out a little bit of Coinbase Advanced, but Coinbase is KYC. I'm going to be trying to give you guys options where you don't have to give your KYC. KYC, that's your personal information. And most of these platforms are scams, and you don't want to give your personal information to none of them, you know? So I'm going to be on the lookout, guys, and I'm going to be giving you other options down the line. For now, if you have any funds in your KuCoin account, get them out of KuCoin before July, okay? They're not going to be freezing your account if you have a KuCoin account in the United States. They're not going to freeze your account. You're just not going to be able to deposit any funds into your account after July if you don't have KYC in your account, okay? KYC means know your customer. That means that you're going to have to send them your social security number, your address, and a picture of yourself to have a verified account. Not a whole lot of people want that. Shit, I don't want that. I like the anonymity of cryptocurrencies. That was the whole point of being in cryptocurrencies, that you can remain anonymous in your transactions, but that's not going to play out in the United States for very long, okay? It's just not going to be, it's just the crackdown on crypto in the United States is rigorous. It's perfect anywhere else in the world except for the United States. And it is what it is, guys, you know? So let's just chill out, get your funds out, chill out, get your funds out. That's going to be my new slogan. Chill out, get your funds out. Put them in your EliPal device while I find another platform for you guys. I have one in mind, but I got to keep trying it out, guys. I got to keep trying it out, especially with the bigger transactions. Big shout out to Bruder Crypto over on the Twitch, man. Man, you're here every day. Big shout out to you. How you doing, my man? It's all good, all good. Just chilling like a villain, you know, trying to get these gains. Taking it easy little by little. Just giving you guys the news. A little bit of a sad day for crypto. Especially anybody who has been following me for more than a year. I've no more KuCoin. No more KuCoin. You have a low, you have a high. That's right, my man. We're gonna be looking on that today, guys. Stick around. I'm gonna be doing the analysis today. Whoa, let me get this out of the way. You're not ready for that yet. You're not ready for those analysis just yet. Let's take it easy, guys. You have a high, you have a low, like my marriage. Oh, that's funny. Well, yeah, if you can chart your good days and your bad days in your marriage, I'm not saying you do that because that's just wrong to do. It'll probably look like crypto, my man. You're gonna be able to you're gonna know when to go in on your marriage on the 618 on the Fibonacci. If you can actually get a way to track your good days and your bad days. That's funny. That's hilarious. Big shout out for everybody over on the TikTok, guys. You guys are always amazing. I'm growing like crazy on TikTok. Let me change the music here for a second. Let me put some little bit of a higher tempo kind of music. See if we can pump it up to the upside and see if we can get some Bitcoin to 40, 50K. There you go. Much better. Okay, so XRP doing a little bit of a bouncy bounce. Like I said, it was going to happen yesterday. We found that support within the golden zone. Now we're having that green candle playing out right now. Let's see if we can actually pump this motherfucker up to 60, 70 cents. Let's make it happen, Captain. A lot of rumors are around the corner also that FedNow launches on February 1st, and apparently FedNow uses XRP. I'm not 100% sure how true is that statement. I have no idea because I'm not in the inside on the FedNow. I don't know anybody in the federal government whatsoever, so I don't have any insider information. I just go with what Twitter is tweeting. I got no other choice. So if FedNow launches on July 1st and it uses XRP, you might see a little bit of a spiky spike on the price of XRP. Let's see if it actually plays out, or is it just buy the rumor, sell the news situation, and then we dump from there? I have no idea. Let's see how it plays out, guys. Still 26% up on my trade. So that's always good to see. We're going to give it a few more minutes, guys, just to see who all gets here. In the meantime, guys, please go right ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. Smash it to all-time highs from whatever platform you're looking on me at. I'm streaming on YouTube, Twitch, Kick, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. I'm all over the place, guys. No excuse not to get your questions answered. No excuse not to get my price action and see what the hell Bitcoin is doing. My journey is your journey if you stick around, guys. It is what it is. I'm here all day, every day, 5 p.m. Eastern, guys. If you're on the YouTube channel, make sure you hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I stream on YouTube. Okay? And if you're on TikTok, then you're fucking amazing because TikTok is absolutely crazy and booming. Also, guys, if you can share the link with everybody that you know in your social media, we're trying to grow this channel as much as we can. And I can't do it without you guys. So if you guys can do that for me, share it with everybody you know. That's a mega bonus for everybody here. I would highly, highly appreciate it. Big shout out to Judy. Judy over on the TikTok asking any thoughts on FTX 2.0. That's like asking me if I want to go in on US Tether again. Bro, if you don't learn from your mistake the first time, and you're bound to do it again. Why would you want to go in on FTX 2.0? Why would anybody want to sacrifice all their funds again to FTX? Are people actually considering this? I thought it was a joke. I thought it was a joke that FTX was going to be rebuilt again. So you're telling me XRP can't be listed in Coinbase because it's a security, but FTX can relaunch their platform after stealing $30 billion? Bro, I'm doing things wrong. I'm doing things wrong. Should have been a Democrat. I'm not going to get into that. I'm not going to go into the politics of it. But no, I am not going to be participating in FTX 2.0. It's just not going to happen. And I don't recommend anybody to do that either. But that's true for any platform out there, guys. All platforms are the same. They're all scams. They're gonna sooner or later take your crypto from you if you do not have self-custody of your cryptocurrencies. That's why I scream it to the four winds to get your LEPAL device or your Ledger device or whatever device you want. Just do not leave any funds on any platform out there. None of them are trustworthy. Not a single one. Okay. And FTX, less. Big shout out to Manuel Olvera over on the TikTok. How's your day? I'm doing super duper good, my man. You know, it's been raining all day. As you all know, that some of you might know, there's like this storm clouds brewing on top of Puerto Rico right now, like engulfing the entire island. There's floods everywhere. It is what it is. We're in hurricane season. We're gonna be seeing that coming around for the next 2 or 3 months. It is what it is. Manuel Olvera asking, just joined. What's on topic today? Well, my man, it's a sad day for crypto right now. If you have a KuCoin account, unfortunately, we're not going to be able to use KuCoin anymore. It is what it is. You're going to have a mandatory KYC. And if you send your KYC and they don't like your region, they can cancel your account. So if you have any funds on KuCoin, I highly recommend you get your funds out. Chill out and get your funds out. Put it on your LEPAL. Because we're not going to be able to use KuCoin anymore. That's a sad day because I love KuCoin. I love KuCoin. Big shout out to Sickle over on the Kick channel. Yo, happy Thursday. I can't stay for long, but I hope you have an amazing day and wishing you all the best. Keep up the grind. Thank you, Sickle. You the man, man. You the man. Thank you for the support. Thank you for stopping by. A second of your day, it's more than enough for me. Thank you for the comment. Over on the Kick channel. Trying to grow that Kick channel, guys. Kick apparently is going to take over the streaming industry. That's what I've heard. That's what I've seen. All the major streamers in the world are moving over to Kick and fucking up Twitch. I'm probably going to have to do the exact same thing. Move over to Twitch and get rid of my move over to Kick. But I stream on every single platform out there. I don't really marry one platform in specific. I'm streaming everywhere, so there's no excuse for you guys not to join in. So we're gonna give it a few more minutes, guys. We're gonna give 1 more minute. We're giving 1 more minute, and we'll start the call last. I'm gonna be giving you guys what is XRP and the crypto market gonna do today. Is the music too loud, guys? Let me know. The music is too loud. I don't think it's that loud enough. So that was the news today, guys. Crypto, KuCoin, no bueno, all gone. My bots, I'm not gonna be able to do my bots trading anymore. So let me see if I can find another platform that I can do my bots trades. It is what it is. So KuCoin, peace out. Hey, you got some water? A little thirsty today. All right, everybody, let's start the class. All right, everybody, I like to start the class the same way every single day, looking on these markets to see where we're at. Are we making money? Are we losing money? Are we up? Are we down? Are we sideways? What's going on? I don't know. Let's find out together. Stick around, guys. Smash that like button if you haven't already. Subscribe to whatever platform you're looking on me at, whether it is YouTube, Twitch, Kick, Instagram, TikTok. I'm all over the place, guys. No reason why not being able to ask your questions towards me, guys. I'm right here. You got me for an hour of power. If you have any questions whatsoever on crypto, any coins you want to look at, anything in specific, whatever the hell you want to look at, go right ahead and write it down on the chat box. I would do my technical analysis like you've been accustomed to see till now. So you got me for an hour of power, guys. Go ahead and write it down on the chat box. I would do my best to do some technical analysis for you guys. Guys, I like to start my TA with Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is the big mama bear. Whatever Bitcoin does, so does everything else. So if you're going to do your technical analysis, do it on Bitcoin first, okay? Because it's going to probably repeat with everything else, especially momentum. Bitcoin is going to give you momentum. If Bitcoin gives you momentum, then you know what direction you're going to be able to trade on every other platform out there, okay? So looking on Bitcoin today on the daily chart, actually, we're going to do things a little bit different today. We're going to look at the daily chart, and then we're going to zoom out on smaller time frames, because the daily chart is just going to bleed towards smaller time frames. The daily goes to the 6 hour, the 6 hour to the 4, to the 2, to the 1, to the 30 minute, to the 5 minute, and so on and so forth. Okay. So that today we're going to look at, see if we're going to have a major move to the upside or the downside. And then we're going to zoom in to figure out some entry prices and entry points. So on the daily chart on Bitcoin right now, we're going to zoom into the last 2 or 3 candles. What do we have playing out right now on these candle formations? Those are all T candle formations. What are T candles? T candles are undecisions. The market doesn't know what it wants to do, whether it wants to go up or whether it wants to go down. It's sort of telling you that there are just as much buyers as there are sellers, okay? So that volatility is very low. It's very stagnant to the sideways. So you're going to get that grouping of T candles one next to another, okay? So whenever that happens, I recommend you stay away from the crypto market, okay? Stay away from Bitcoin, because if the market doesn't know where it wants to go, shit, I don't know where I want to go. So if I don't know, if I don't have market clarity, because the market doesn't have market clarity, I can't go in on a trade just yet, okay? Now, if we had a nice formation green candle like these down here, then yeah, I would tell you, hell, we're going to the upside. Or if it was red, hell, we're going to go to the downside, okay? So I don't have that for you today or on Bitcoin just yet. So this for me is a no trade zone. For me, I would not trade Bitcoin just yet, okay? I'm going to let the market do its thing. I'm going to chill out and pull out. Okay? So no trade zone today on Bitcoin. But if you're a scalpy scalp and you're a betting man or woman or whatever you identify as, just zoom out on the daily chart. Go down to the 6 hour. When you go down to the 6 hour, do we have any playable scenario just yet? Let's zoom in. What do we have here? We have a low. we have a high, and we have all this sideways action happening right now, finding that support up there. Do we have a pullback on the high? Not just yet. We're stagnant to the sideways, so that's why we have those T candles on the daily chart. But let's pretend that we do have a pullback on the daily chart, on the 6-hour chart. So let's draw out our Fibonacci. And there we go. We now have entry prices to go in on some Bitcoin action if you're waiting for some pullback action. Remember, guys, nothing goes up forever in a straight line. There is going to be pullbacks. If we do get a pullback now, not saying that we are, but if we get a pullback now, these are your entry prices to getting in on some Bitcoin action. Right here and right here. The golden pocket of the Fibonacci levels. So right here, right now, we have two entry prices at 28,097 and 27,307. So set your limit buy orders for some Bitcoin action on those two price ranges. Not saying that we're going to reach those two price ranges. I don't see any reason why Bitcoin should be coming back down in no way, shape, or form. Big shout out to Ayala Art over on the Instagram channel. What's up, my man? My favorite tattoo artist, my man. This is the guy who made the... Guys, if you're ever in the Puerto Rico area, let me tell you right now, Carlos Ayala over on Bayamon, Puerto Rico, the best tattoo artist in the world. Did my whole Three Ninja Turtles collection on my arm right here. This is the best tattoo artist in Puerto Rico. Let me tell you right now. So if you're ever in the Puerto Rico area, give him a call. Carlos Ayala, ayala.art over on the Instagrams. Guys, so what is my playable scenario for some Bitcoin action? 28,000 and 27,000. Write this down, take a screenshot, or do whatever it is that you want to do. But this is how I'm going to play out the Bitcoin. Now, I'm not saying that it's going to come back down to those levels, but if it is, I'm locked and loaded, ready to go. You know? I don't have any reason why the price of Bitcoin want to go back down, especially when all these news, positive news are coming out. Michael Saylor's buying a bunch of Bitcoin. BlackRock is buying a bunch of Bitcoin. And just like the last bull cycle, that's sort of what triggered everything, was these big ass institutions just buying thousands and thousands and thousands of Bitcoin. The more they buy, the supply is stagnant, is fixed. The supply is fixed. So demand gets higher, price goes with it to the upside. So I don't think the price of Bitcoin is going to come back down. But if it is, these are the price ranges that you're going to want to start stacking up on some Bitcoin action, okay? Take a screenshot, do whatever you want to do. Carlos Ayala over on the Instagram. Thank you, bro. That gave me the sad crying face. Dude, come on, man. You deserve it. You're the best tattoo artist in Puerto Rico. It's no doubt. No doubt whatsoever, my man. Let's move on to a little bit of Ethereum action. What is Ethereum doing right now? Let's look at the daily chart. We always start with the daily chart. And in the daily chart, we have a beautiful low. We have a high, and we have a pullback on the high. So with that said, what do you want to do with that information? You put your Fibonacci levels. Big shout out to Crypto Gambino over on the TikTok. What's up, my man? It's all good or good. You know how it is. What do you mean by injective? What does that mean, injective? You mean that they're injecting more money flow into the crypto markets? Then you are 100% true. You're spitting facts, my man. And when money flow goes in, what do you think happens to the price? It skyrockets. Okay? It skyrockets. Now, Ethereum, guys, if Bitcoin is king, Ethereum is queen. Whatever Bitcoin does, Ethereum does with it. Okay? So Ethereum will only dump to the downside if Bitcoin dumps to the downside. The same way the other way around. It'll pump if Bitcoin pumps. But no excuse not to find an entry price. Why? Because we had a low, we had a high, and we had a pullback on the high. So that is a shark fin formation. And that is your signal to draw in your Fibonacci levels. So with that said, your entry prices to getting in on some Ethereum are right here on the daily chart. Okay, on the daily chart, we have 1,782 and 1,745. Take a screenshot of this if you guys want to piggyback on my trades, but that is how I'm going to go in on a long on some Ethereum action. 1,782, 1,745. Anything between those two zones right there. If I could get it at 1,745, even better. We're going to try to catch that wicking action to the downside, guys, okay? I don't know what is going to drive the prices back down, but if it is, you got to be ready. You got to be locked and loaded. You got to be strapped in and ready to go. Put your limit buy orders for those two zones right there and see which one actually plays out. Okay, 50% on one, 50% on another, or however much you can afford to lose. But that is how we're going to be playing this Ethereum action right now. Hopefully, let's cross our fingers that we actually get some downwards momentum to getting in on some Ethereum action. Let's go. Are you holding on to some Ethereum, guys? As of today, I'm not holding any Ethereum whatsoever. 100% of my portfolio is on XRP, and it is what it is. I'm going to stay 100% of my portfolio on XRP. Not telling you to do that. That's completely stupid. I'm an idiot. I'm not even a good trader. I put all my eggs in one basket. Don't do that. Do not put all your eggs in one basket. I am just a heavy believer in what XRP is doing and what it's accomplishing. It's doing something that no other cryptocurrency out there is being able to do. They're starting their journey. We're finishing ours. Do you understand? So keep that in mind when you're doing your research on any cryptocurrency out there. That XRP is not a cryptocurrency. It's a movement. Okay? It's a movement. With that said, let's go to our beautiful baby girl, XRP. Let's zoom out a little bit. Let me get rid of this so it doesn't confuse the hell out of you. There we go. So, on the daily chart, what do we have playing out right now on XRP? We have a low, we have a high, and we have a pullback on the high. That is a shark fin formation, and that translates into what? The Fibonacci. Oh man, the allergies today are killing me. All right, so with that said, what is happening to XRP right now? As of this moment, looking at what we're looking on right now, XRP finding support on exactly the 618 on the Fibonacci. So if you were waiting for a sign from the gods to getting in on some XRP action, now is the time to do so. My trade, I caught it at 46 cents. And that trade in specific, which is this one right here, is making me 14% on that trade. Okay. Why? Because I caught it at the wick at exactly the 618. That's what I'm trying to get you guys to do. Big shout out to Spectre over on the TikTok. What's up with you, my man? It's all good. You know how it is. Chilling like a villain, taking it easy day by day. Trying to catch these gains on XRP. So, guys, XRP absolutely locked and loaded, ready to go some price action to the upside. Big shout out to Rafael Benitez over on the Facebook page. Thank you for the chair, my man. Big shout out to you. So XRP, guys, this is a sign. Here it is. It's God, the universe, the four winds, Godzinu, whatever you pray to, whatever. This is the sign you were waiting for to getting in on some XRP action, okay? It found the support within the 618. With that said, I'm stacking up on more XRP. Could it go lower than here? Of course it can go lower than here. If we zoom out, this same pattern that is right here, this same pattern is exactly this same pattern over here, only in a smaller size, okay? Less volume. But with that said, we can do the exact same thing. Low, high, pull back on the high. Okay. And there is your next Fibonacci level. Okay. So with that said, you can set a limit buy order for now, and then the next one at 44 cents. Those are your 2 limit buy orders to getting in on some XRP action if you don't own any XRP just yet, which if you don't, you're completely missing out. Okay? Getting on the fun. Get in on the fun while it's early. So yeah, guys, 46 cents, which is where it is right now. It's a great price to getting in on some XRP action, and 44 cents if you can't catch it at 46. Okay, those are my 2 limit buy orders, and that is how we're going to be playing out this scenario right now. Could we see that happening? Of course we can see that happening. Today, tomorrow, I have no idea, but I'm locked and ready to go. My limit buy orders are set in. They're baked in. They're locked and loaded. Here it is. These are my open trades right here. I got one, the one at 46 got open, and then I got the one at 44 right here. I also got one at 41, 37, 32, 33, 30, and 25. Just $2 cost average on the way down, because I could just never know when the bottom is going to be in. I'm just trying to guess what the bottom is going to be. But if one of these hits, it's golden for me. My trade right now, position open, is up 25% on my trade. Okay. So let's make it happen, Captain. So no excuses not to start stacking up on some XRP, guys. Okay. Do whatever you want to do. Completely up to you. Whatever you want to do. But that's how I'm going to be playing out this XRP action, guys. Okay. Smash that like button if you want XRP to go to $5 by tomorrow. So yeah, guys, let's see how is XRP going to play this out. I don't know. I do know that July 1st we're going to get that Fed Now launch, and apparently XRP uses the Fed Now uses XRP. Man, my allergies are on point today. God damn it. So let's see, guys. This is all primed and locked and ready to go. This pattern right here, this is mega bullish to the upside. Hopefully, we're going to get that 60-cent XRP, guys. We're going. It's right around the corner. I can feel it. I can see it. Okay. Let's go. Especially if Bitcoin pumps. Moving on to some Litecoin action. What is Litecoin doing right now? Joe, what's going on, Joe Frizz? Big shout out to you over on the TikTok. What's up with you, my man? It's all good, good. Just chilling like a villain, you know, trying to get these gains. It is what it is. Guys, Litecoin. Let's talk about Litecoin. Big shout out to the Crypto Maestro, Gio. What's up with you, my man? It's all good, good. Just chilling like a villain. Smash that like button, guys, if you haven't already. It's all-time highs. The more you smash the like button, the higher XRP goes. Trying to get to that $5 XRP by tomorrow. It'd be wonderful to wake up to $5 XRP by tomorrow. That's for sure. But I don't see that happening anytime soon. Anyway. So Litecoin, guys, nothing has changed. Same thing. We're still trading above the 382. Remember that the 382 is resistance. It's not support. I rarely ever trade within the 382. I always trade on the golden zone. So we're going to try to get it at a lower price range. If you guys want to trade some Litecoin action, $76 and $69. Still the same scenario as the last live stream. Hopefully we get it to down there. To get it to down there, then that means that Bitcoin has to dump a little bit. Let's see if Bitcoin actually dumps. I just don't see Bitcoin dumping anytime soon. A lot of institutions are getting in on the game. There's no excuse now. This is it. This is what we were waiting for. So yeah. What I see right now happening in the market is pretty much the same thing that was happening 4 years ago. It's the exact same stories, the exact same scenarios, the exact same thing. Even the same momentum, the same graphs and everything. It's all repeating the exact same way. So if that is true, then what are we going to be looking at pre-halving? Is a very boring sideways momentum. Okay, very boring sideways momentum. What triggered the last bull cycle was the halving and the new president and the COVID attack. Okay, so COVID had a huge play in it. Hopefully we don't get another COVID next year. In no way, shape, or form. Okay. I cannot handle another COVID ever again. But I'm pretty sure we're not going to get a black swan event like that ever again in the crypto market. Not in our lifetime anyway. I could be completely wrong. I mean, the world can just surprise us in any single way. But it's happening the exact same way as 4 years ago. And if that is true, that means that for this year, we're going to start to see some sideways action, very boring markets for crypto. Then we get the halving with a dumpy dump before the halving. Then we get the halving. Then we get the new president. And let me tell you that from that moment on, 2025, March 2025 is the peak of the bull cycle. If it plays the exact same way that it played the last bull cycle. Okay? Not saying that it will. Things can change. Patterns change all the time. Miracles happen all the time. But if you're on the ropes, you don't know what the plan is. Next year, we get the halving. Right before the halving, a month before, we usually get a dump because miners are going to dump all the Bitcoin to drive the price down. When we get that dump on right before the halving, which should be in April. So in around March and April, you're going to see that dumpy dump happening. We catch all of that crypto on the downside. We're going to buy everything we got because right after the halving and right after the next presidential election in November, boom, next bull cycle. Okay, next bull cycle. And I'm taking my profits and I'm closing everything in crypto on March 2025. That's the plan. Okay, that's the plan. I don't know if it actually is going to be playing out like that, but that's my trading plan. Gobble up all the crypto on the halving and sell it in March 2025. That's my plan for the next 2 years. Okay. So stick around, guys. Smash that like button if you want XRP to go to $5. The more you smash, the higher it goes. Let's see if it actually does play out, guys, because it's looking kind of saucy like it is. It's looking perfectly like it's going to play out that zone. Anyway, guys, this is Litecoin. This is your 2 limit buy orders. You're getting in on some Litecoin action if you haven't already. $76.69. Trying to catch it on that bouncy bounce on the Fibonacci levels. Let's see if it actually plays out. Big shout out to Joe Frizz over on the TikTok saying that you just opened a long. You opened a long on what? Let me know so I can do some TA. Did you open on XRP? On Litecoin, on Bitcoin, on Ethereum? What you got? Big shout out to Crypto Maestro. Chilling. So am I, man. I'm taking it easy this week, you know. Sometimes you just got to stand back and let the market do its thing. Look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is just, I don't even know what Bitcoin is doing right now. Bitcoin, look at all these T candle formations. Just gliding here, right here on the EMA. It doesn't give a fuck. Joe Fraser over on the ticket. You're open a long on Pepe. Let's look at Pepe coin. Ooh, that's some risky ass shit, brother. Let's go into some Pepe action. What is Pepe doing right now? So Pepe coin. Let's look at some Pepe coin. Pepe has a low, has a high, and it has a pullback on the high. So that translates into a shark fin formation. So we have a Fibonacci retracement tool. Brutal Crypto over on the Twitch saying ping pong action. That's true. Bitcoin is just beep, beep, back and forward. Beep, 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 doesn't know what it wants to do. And if Bitcoin doesn't want to know what to do, shit, I don't know what to do. But on Pepe, let's do our Fibonacci. And let's see what we got. Joe Frizz, at what price range did you open up your, if you want to say, your Pepe long? Because yes, Pepe coin found the support on the 0.5 of the Fibonacci levels right over here. So that was a good catch. If you caught it at the 0.5, that was a great trade right there. Did you catch it at the 0.5 or did you just go in on it right now? Because you went in on it right now, I would tell you that it wouldn't be the best timing to getting in on a long. But I could be completely wrong. Joe saying, my first buy was on the 0.001. I know it was on the 0.001 area. They're all in the 0.001 area. It's okay, my man. Don't worry about it. I would say that if I was the one doing the trades right now, I would have given it a little bit more space to the downside, maybe in the 0.5 if you went in right now. But if you caught it at the 0.5, right at the Wiccan action right there, then hooray, that was a great trade for you, my man. Hold on to that Pepe coin. Hold on to that Pepe coin. Always remember, guys, Bitcoin pumps, then every other top 10 pumps, and then come the shit meme coins. Pepe coin, Shiba, Doge. Okay? Especially Pepe coin, because Pepe coin is on the limelight right now. So you do whatever you got to do, boo-boo. Do you, boo-boo. Moving on to some Cardano action. What is Cardano doing right now? So let's look at this, guys. Nothing has changed since the last live stream yesterday. It bounced exactly on the 618 when I told you guys to go in two live streams ago. I told you guys, wait for the pullback. The same thing with you, Joe Frizz. Pepe probably is going to have the same scenario right over here. You can catch it at the 0.5, but if you can catch it at the 0.618, I would do that too. So put one also at the 618, just in case. Just in case. Okay. Put one also in the 618. So we caught the bounce on the 618 exactly right there on the money, but it hasn't closed above the 382 just yet. So there's probably going to be some more price action to the downside on Cardano. Okay. Try and catch it again at the 618 at 25 cents. Wait for that bouncy bounce to happen once again. And if it closes above the 382, then we're going to get that 33 cent Cardano right around the corner. Man, it got hot for a second. Sorry about that. Okay. It's kind of getting warm in here. I don't even know why. It's hot as balls outside. It's raining like crazy, but it's hot as balls. So yeah, guys, that's how we're going to be playing out this Cardano action. See if we can get it back down to the 25 cent mark. If we can, stack up with some Cardano and let's play it out by ear, just like we always do. Hopefully we're close above that 382 and then we get that 33 cent Cardano and we can close our trade. Moving on to some XLM. XLM not giving a single fuck. Not giving a single fuck. XLM doing its thing. We have a low, we have a high, we have a pullback on the high. Joe Frese made a solid 150% on Pepe. 20x leverage this morning on Pepe. Profits are flowing to XRP and AVAX. Bro, if that's not a plan, I don't know what is. If that's not a plan, I don't know what is. That's wonderful to hear, my man. Big shout out to you, Joe Frizz. 150%, my man. You're not gonna find that anywhere else, guys. Joe doing his thing, my man. He's doing his thing. Kind of like XLM. XLM also doing his thing. It doesn't care what the hell the rest of the market is doing. We are having a cross of the red over the yellow to the upside. That's price action to the upside. So even more price action up for some XLM. But if I was getting in on some XLM action, I would wait for the pullback. If we do get the pullback from here, then these are my two tradable scenarios right over here. 9 cents and 8 cents. Do whatever you want with this information. Trade it however the hell you want. But those are my two tradable scenarios right there. 0.90587 and 0.86972. Play it however the hell you want to play it, okay? Play it however you want to play it. Let's look at some Solana. Whoa. Look at Solana. Solana doing its thing. And look at this. Look at what happened to Solana today. It had a pumpy pump. Look at this. A pump and dump. That's what it was. A pump and dump. Let me look at the hourly. Let me see this price action right over here. What the hell happened to Solana? Wow. Look at some Solana action. So Solana found support on the 382. I wonder who is responsible for this price action to the upside. That's wonderful to see for anybody in some Solana action. I may have to reconstruct the Solana Fibonacci levels because this sucker pumped out of nowhere. So let's zoom out like that. And they're out on the hourly chart. There we go. We have a low. We have a high. Do we have a pullback on the high? Shark fin formation. With the shark fin formation, we get the what? The Fibonacci levels. Oops. There. Now, this is a story of how you're going to buy some Solana on the way down. And here it is, guys. That is your buyable scenario for some Solana action as of right now. We're talking about 16 cents, $16, 16.9 and 16.5 on the hourly. Okay, we're probably going to get a little bit of a pullback. Look at all these liquidations happening right over here. This mega pump right here. This is how institutions just squeeze the hell out of all those shorts. A lot of people were saying it was going to go down, back down, back down. Then the institutions come in and they squeeze the hell out of those shorts, take all that liquidity, pump the price to the upside, plus drive the price of Solana to the upside. So they win twice. Completely legal and easy to do if you have a shit ton of money. I wish I had a whole shit ton of money to drive these prices however the hell I want. I do not. I don't even have a hiccup kind of money to drive these any coin whatsoever. Joe Fraser over on the TikTok saying bags catch them liquidations. That is true. That's how it's done on cryptocurrencies. So yeah, guys, right now, as of today, as of this moment right here, 16.9 and 16.5. I'm gonna have to cut it short today. I got some people coming over to my house. Guys, this is the playable scenario, 16.9 and 16.5 on some Solana action. So if you want to go in and you haven't caught it just yet, this is how I'm going to be trading my Solana action right over here. On the hourly, we do have the cross of the yellow with the red to the upside. That's price action to the upside. That's where we get all this movement to the upside. Wish I would have been looking at Solana. I wasn't looking on Solana throughout the whole week. I really thought this sucker was going to keep going down. Thank God I wasn't on a trade. Let's look at the total market cap. Total market cap. Ooh, okay. So total market cap, we have a low. We have a high. We have a pullback on the high. So we have a shark fin formation. That shark fin formation translates into what? The Fibonacci levels. And it bounced exactly on the 0.5. That's beautiful to see. But see, we still got some more price action coming back down. The 382 is being tested and it's been broken through. Like I always say, the 382 rarely does it become support. The 382 is most of the time resistance. So I never ever trade on the 382 because it probably is going to break to the downside. Just think of it like this is made out of steel, this is made out of concrete, and this is made out of sand. Which one do you think you want to walk on for stability? The steel or the concrete? So think of it like that when you're doing your trades and you're doing your Fibonacci. Don't trust the 382 because most of the time it breaks to the downside, okay? Try to catch it at the 0.5 or the 618, especially the 618. Look, you know what? Out of curiosity and chits and giggles, let me look at the US dollar. What is the US dollar doing right now? Oh. Let me go to the daily. Okay. Let me go to the daily. Let me not get too excited just yet. We have a low. We have a high. We have a pullback on the high. This was your signal to getting in on some dollar action right over here. Found the support within the 618. And now it's testing the resistance of the 382. See, the 382 tends to become resistance. Right now, the US dollar is testing that zone. So we're going to have to wait till tomorrow for the next candle to play out. Because if it closes above the 382... then that is price action to the upside for some US dollars back up to $106. Okay. testing this resistance zone over here. Okay. So if that is true, remember that Bitcoin and the US dollar have an inverse relationship to each other. Maybe we're going to see a little bit of a dumpy dump on the Bitcoin if we see a pumpy pump on the US dollar. I don't know. Cross your fingers, pray to the gods or the four winds or whatever you pray to. Because Bitcoin is pumping, the US dollar is also pumping. Quite a strange scenario. Let's see how it plays out. Anyway, guys, that's all the time I got for you today. Sorry, my man, I can't give you the entire hour and a half today. So I got some company coming over and they're already here. So I got to go attend them, guys. And I'm starving also. I'm going to get something to eat. But that was the news today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, if you have some funds on KuCoin and you're in the United States, you're not going to be able to use KuCoin anymore. Get your funds out, chill out, get them out, put it on an LEPAL. It is what it is. They're getting KYC regulations now, and they don't want any US participants anymore. Anyway, guys, thank you for stopping by. I had a lot of fun. Hope you did too. I will see you again tomorrow at 5 p.m. Eastern. Make sure you smash that like button and follow and subscribe from whatever platform you're looking on me at. I'll be here at 5 p.m. Eastern every single day from Monday through Friday. Thank you for stopping by, guys. Had a lot of fun. Hope you did too. I will see you again tomorrow, 5 p.m. Eastern. Take care, God bless, and have a good one.